In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails on HubSpot. Whether you're managing a large email campaign or simply want to reach out to your audience efficiently, HubSpot makes it easy to create and send emails to a targeted group of contacts. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use HubSpot's tools to craft and deliver professional email campaigns. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This step is important because it gives you access to your personalized dashboard where all the tools for managing email campaigns are located. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you can register using the link provided in the description below. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is your main navigation panel. Hover over the section labeled Marketing. This is where HubSpot keeps all the tools and options related to managing your email campaigns. When the menu expands, click on the email option. This will take you to the hub where you can create and manage your email campaigns. From here, you have two choices. You can either create a brand new email or use an existing draft. If you decide to start fresh, HubSpot provides a variety of templates for you to choose from. These templates are great for saving time and ensuring your email design looks polished and professional. On the other hand, if you already have a draft that you'd like to continue working on, simply select it from the list of available emails. Now it's time to customize your email. Use this step to modify the content and design of your message so it aligns with your campaign goals and appeals to your audience. This could mean tweaking the text, adjusting images, or refining the layout. Taking the time to personalize your email will help ensure it resonates with recipients. Once you're happy with the design and content, look for the button labeled Send to Plus. Clicking this will begin the process of specifying how you'd like the email to be sent. From the options provided, select Send to a list of contacts. This option is ideal for bulk email campaigns because it allows you to dispatch your message to a predefined group of contacts all at once. Before proceeding, double-check that your contact list is properly set up in HubSpot. Segmentation is key here. By organizing your audience into targeted lists, you can make sure your email reaches the right people, increasing the chances of engagement and success. Now, keep in mind that if you're using HubSpot's free version, there are a few limitations you should be aware of. The free plan allows you to send up to 2,000 emails per month. However, these emails will include HubSpot branding, which might not align with certain campaigns. If branding or higher email limits are a concern for you, it might be worth considering an upgrade to one of their paid plans. After reviewing everything and ensuring all details are correct, it's time to finalize your setup. Click the Send button, and just like that, your bulk email campaign will be on its way to your chosen audience. And there you have it. You've just learned how to send bulk emails using HubSpot, from logging in to finalizing your campaign. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.